picture here shows the renal corpuscle. Again, that's implying that we can see the glomerulus in Bowman's capsule. G stands for glomerulus. So this entire circular structure here is an example of a glomerulus. So here's our glomerulus right here. BC stands for Bowman's capsule. So this outer lining here of cells would be your Bowman's capsule here. So that's your Bowman's capsule, this outer lining of cells. G stands for glomerulus. RC stands for the renal corpuscle. But renal corpuscle is not going to be a bonus answer. So I could have either glomerulus on a picture like this, or Bowman's capsule. And again, just like all the other style job, arrow pointing to the structures for you. All right, our regions. Let's start with a large magnification here. See a nice large field of view. And here we have our kidney. So we have our renal cortex. Again, that's kind of the outer region of the kidney here. And more internally is the renal medulla. But how can we ultimately decipher and differentiate between the two regions? Well, here's a great way. So here is a picture, a very, very close-up picture now, of the renal cortex region. And what you're going to find in the renal cortex and how you're going to be able to compare and contrast between the two regions, the renal cortex has lots of glomeruli. All these circular structures, this is all glomeruli here, right? So a glomerulus. Glomeruli is just plural, glomerulus singular. So there's lots of glomeruli that you're going to find. So literally all these renal corpuscles are all found in the renal cortex. You're not going to find any renal corpuscles that contain a glomerulus or a Bowman's capsule in the renal medulla. You just won't. So that's how you know that you are looking at the cortex, renal cortex. All the glomeruli here that you see. Now, let's compare that to the renal medulla region, how that will differ. So, right here, this is a picture of the renal medulla. You're not going to find any glomeruli here. All you're going to find are collecting ducts. So these white lines going down are collecting ducts. So if you see white lines vertical like that, you know that you're looking at collecting ducts. You may see part of the loop of Henle here too, by the way, but you're not going to find any glomeruli here. So renal medulla, look for the collecting ducts. Renal cortex, look for the glomeruli. That's your clue. And I have lots of pictures on our class site for you to review too. So, all right, any questions about the histology? Not too bad, right? Yeah, it's not too bad. All right.